I use all sorts of tools to help me when I'm doing my photo organizing or genealogy. This is one of my photo organizing tools. It's called GIMP, and it's a GNU image manipulation program. Now, it's not like Photoshop. Photoshop is, of course, much more robust, but if you just want some quick fixes, GIMP can actually work well for the problems that you might have. And here's one of the issues that I had with a file extension. So here's something that I learned today, and I thought I'd share with you. So I'm transferring some files to an external hard drive that I bought, and I'm also uploading some of the things that I've missed to my Forever album. But you'll notice that I have this file here that has no extension, and it was similar for this one here. But I figured out how to fix that, and I thought I'd share with you. So I'm going to do a right click, and then I'm going to say Open With, and then I'm going to choose GIMP and say OK. I don't want to change the photo at all. I just want to get that extension. So I'm going to do the file folder, and then I tried the Save As, and that didn't work. And Save as a copy, no, that wasn't a good. And then I realized, and it actually was really good about telling me that that wasn't the way I needed to do it. So then I chose, it told me that I should go to Export, so I chose that. And then I just added, and I exported it. It brought me this image. I said, use quality settings from the original and export. And now, if we go back to File, you see now I do have one that says that it's a JPEG file. Hope this is helpful. One thing I do want to mention is that GIMP is a free program, but you can donate to it. And so if you feel so inclined, if you find the product useful, then go to the donate page and you can donate. Now, just so you know, I have no affiliation with this program. I don't get any money for promoting it, but I just think it's a useful product. I hope you do too. Thanks, and have a great day. I'm the Family History Hound, and I hope you enjoyed this video.